Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So we're gonna make a short run to the post office and probably over to the gas station to get something to drink. It's early Saturday morning. Probably not gonna have too many rides left. I think either this weekend or next weekend I'm gonna have to take this thing and the scooter over to my buddy's house. We'll see what happens. I think we're not gonna have too many nice days left. It's really not a great day today either, but tomorrow it's supposed to be a little nicer, I guess. So I got a plan to put this thing up. Don't want to do it, but I'm gonna have to do it. So that's what we're gonna do. Just gotta find the right day, right? So I figured it wasn't raining now, so we should probably go and take it out. It's a little chilly, I don't know, it's 50 something or something, I don't know. But I haven't ridden it in, I don't know, probably a week or so. But just trying to get it all sort of dried off here. Right? Just wipe our stuff down a little bit. I am working on some I call it toxic waste yellow. It's kind of like a fluorescent yellow, high-vis yellow. I'll be maybe done with those this weekend. I'll maybe throw that on here, you guys can see, and I'll post it up on my Instagram. So, but let's go for a short ride. Okay. How my mirrors keep getting messed up. I don't know. Nobody's going over by my car, so what's that? Ice? Maybe. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to be careful. If it's that slippery and this cold, we'll just take it easy. Right? Put my visor down a little bit here. I don't really know what temperature it is. It's cold. Oh man, Jesus, my foot just got soaked. Gotta love October, right? It's pretty much what I think today is, like the 30th or something. So, right, tomorrow's Halloween. Happy Halloween! Woo! Yeah, it's a tidbit nipply out here. Alright. So, I'll be sad to put it up, but this is the time of year that it just starts raining and raining and raining, and then the next thing you know, it's so fucking cold that it starts snowing. So we're not far off from that. I think it was either last year or the year before it. I think maybe it was last year. Did that bus even stop? It snowed on Halloween, so that was pretty crazy. Oh man, yeah, I can feel it on my shoes. The fucking ground is slippery as hell. Take it real easy. The guy's like, yeah! Or something. I don't exactly know. Look at that guy, he's insane! I am, but what the... with a little sunlight, this wouldn't be too bad. I mean, it's fine. I got a sweatshirt on underneath and my my armored hoodie. It's all right. The gloves, they're not bad. I can, you know, these gloves are light. I can feel the air through them anyways, but it's not too bad. So, yeah, just been working, and hands are all right. They're not the greatest. It's like trade one pain for another. I have a lot of pain in my wrist. It is getting better. It's gonna take a while, I think. A while, you know. So, but I hope all of you guys in the warmer climates are enjoying, you know, down south and out west. You know, it's kind of sucks ass out here in the Midwest. But let's see what else is going on. I think this weekend, I'm gonna pull my other printer out. It's just been so busy. Put it over here. Pull my other printer out, and we'll get that upgraded. I got a upgraded extruder piece for the drive to feed the filament feed, and I want to upgrade that Z stop adjust. So that's like one thing I have to do. Man, are my vents open in my hood, in my helmet? I'm getting, there we go. The top vent wasn't open. My visor is kind of fogging up here. So let's take a ride over. Yeah, we'll just cut through. I don't really feel like going on Randall Road. No fucking point. We can just cut through the parking lots here. But BP is just over this way. Menards. The road is kind of dangerous over here. You can't see much, and people are always pulling out. Not now, but you know, during the regular part of the day. So, you know, I still have the spools and the chain tension and all that. You know, we'll have to go over to my buddy's house here during the winter. You know, we got the scooter to work on, and we can put that on. It'll be nice. It'll be actually in a freaking garage, you know, so we can. And my buddy upgraded LED lights and everything in his garage, so we'll be able to see pretty good. So that'll be nice. So let's go over here and get something to drink. I don't know what I want. We'll figure it out. I'm a goddamn neutral. All right, everybody. Let me. I'll pause you. I'll bring you right back. The cashier was not in a good mood. Maybe either that or she's got resting bitch face. I don't know. She never seems happy when I come in here. like I did something to her. It's just the way she is. I tried to cheer her up, you know, and be like, I was like, oh yeah, it's Saturday, right? It's early. That's why you're not happy? I'm like, why are you look so sad? Well, I'm working and it's Saturday. It's like, I hear you. But, you know, it's really no way to be, you know. If you don't want to come to work, call off. Don't make everybody else miserable. She's a nice person, though. Everybody's got their days, right? So, the question is, what are we going to go do? Maybe we'll just ride around for a little while here, and we'll see what's going on. So, all right. I didn't see she came out there for a cigarette. How long was she standing there? Fuck. Okay. All right. Oh. Without the sun, this is kind of sucky. I think we're just gonna go back home and yeah, you guys, don't forget, you know, I still got panel washers for sale. I still got auctions up on eBay. You guys can still hit me up on Instagram, Iceman50, and I'm still trying to work on a blank off cover for where the mirrors went here. I gotta find the right thread. I think it's an M6. I've got the thread at home. I'm still trying to make something. I gotta look at a tutorial on YouTube and see if I can figure out how to easily make a screw in Fusion 360. Ooh, I don't know if that was the wind or my back tire. These V tires, you know what? They're all right, but next spring here, I'm definitely going to be getting some stickier tires. There's been a couple of times already I've been, you know, it's been a little wet or what. Not even so much wet, but the ass end on this thing slides out. You know, you really got to be careful. What the fuck? What the hell? What's that about? Jesus. Oh, on this fucking side of the road, dude. Jesus. Oh, so you gotta be careful. Got clowns to the left of me and jokers to the right. I'm stuck in the middle with you. So, but all right, guys, we're coming up here. You know, it won't be the you know, once I'll probably film the ride going up to my buddy's house, some of it, and then you know, just stay tuned for the channel. I got, you know, I'm gonna go back basically doing the kind of stuff that I was doing. You know, we'll do, whoa, oh man, I felt it right there. We're gonna go back to you know, doing what I normally do on my channel, which was you know, fixing stuff. And I got a hair dryer that I'm gonna review. I know, super interesting, right? And we got the 3D printers and, you know, the grill. I got a bunch of little projects, right? So, but yeah, just stay tuned, and you know, we'll be when I can and I can make it out to my buddy's house, we'll go over there and we'll install the frame, the chain adjusters and the spools on this thing. I don't really have, like I said, I really don't have a lot of other mods to do to this thing. I'm pretty happy with most of the stuff that I've done. But, we do have a little work left on the on Bumblebee here. I gotta order an intake, and it's gonna have to come from China because I ain't spending $60 on a rubber intake when I can get it from China for like 15 bucks, you know. So, but yeah. And then of course you got the Black Beauty. She's running pretty good. It loves this cold weather, you know. But all right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. All right, easy.